Hello viewers, in this video we will solve the question from microeconomic analysis in which we have been given that it is a multi-plant monopoly farm. Total cost Fi equals to 200 plus sigma Fi square. So in place of Fi we will put this equation of price. Market demand equals to Q. It is given in the question and we have to find equilibrium output, price and profit. So let's begin how to solve it. So price, we know it is 140 minus Q. We know total revenue. The formula of total revenue is price into Q. Price 140 minus Q, bracket close, Q. When we will expand it, it will be 140 Q minus Q square. Now MR, marginal revenue, we know it is derivation of total revenue with respect to Q. So it will be 140 minus 2Q. So this is our MR. Now we total cost. We have been given total cost equal to 200 plus Fi 200 plus, in place of this we will put P plus 140 minus Q square 200 plus 140 square plus Q square minus 2 into 140 into Q. When we will solve it, we will get 19,800 plus Q square minus 280 Q. Now to get marginal cost, derivation of total cost with respect to Q, it will be 2Q minus 280. Now we know marginal revenue equals to marginal cost. Marginal revenue, we know we got 140 minus 2Q. Marginal cost we just solved, 2Q minus 280. When we solve it, we will get the value of Q. Q equals to 105. Now price we know 140 minus Q. So 140 minus 105 equals to 35. Total revenue was price into Q equals to 35 into 105 equals to 3675. Now total cost will be 1425 and profit we know equals to total revenue minus total cost. Total revenue was 3675 minus total cost 1425 equals to 2250. So with this we got all the three values which was required in the question. It is Q equals to 105, then price equals to 35 and profit equals to 2250. I hope you understood the video. Thank you.